Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Cook Like a Japanese channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken teriyaki. Chicken teriyaki is one of the most popular Japanese dish here, and to make it is super easy. And the taste is unbelievable. So why don't you try making it? Okay, let's get started. Alright, the only ingredients for chicken teriyaki is chicken thigh. You can replace it with chicken breast, but whichever you choose, be sure to get one with the skin on, because when the skin goes brown, it'll be nice and crispy. We got 4 steps to make chicken teriyaki. Step 1 is to make teriyaki sauce with mirin, soy sauce, sake, sugar. And step 2 is prepare the chicken and pan fry the whole chicken for about 10 minutes. Flip it over, another 3 minutes. And step 3, my way to step 3 is to put the chicken out of the pan at that time and cut the chicken into pieces. And the last step, step 4, is to put the chicken back in the pan, pour the teriyaki sauce. Super simple, isn't it? Well, let's go on to step 1. Step 1 is to make the teriyaki sauce. 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, mirin 1.5 tablespoon, sake 1.5 tablespoon, plus sugar 1.5 tablespoon. And mix it. Yeah, it's done. Now let's prepare the chicken. Spread chicken somewhere, like here, thicker than the other place. Make some cuts here. Yeah, like this. Same thing. That's alright. And then for the skin, you need to stab it with a fork. Is just seasoned with salt, medium low heat, for more than 10 minutes. Maybe 11 minutes I'll pass. So turn over the chicken. Be careful. Move that salt. Yeah. Hope it gets nice and crispy, brown. Yeah, it's great, isn't it? It's cool. So, even low heat, let it keep on. Okay, now 3 minutes has passed. So, put the chicken out of the pan and cut it into pieces. It's hot, so yeah, and you can check if it's well cooked or not. Yeah, nice and crispy. Okay, then you put the chicken into the pan again. Mix with the teriyaki sauce. Make it super low. For about 3 minutes. Alright, now the 3 minutes have passed. Why don't you put the sauce with the spoon and pour it on the teriyaki chicken. Yeah, it's done. Why don't we plate it? Yeah, plate it. Like this. That looks cool. Yeah, now the chicken teriyaki is ready to eat. Yeah, thanks for watching. As you know, to make chicken teriyaki is super easy. Why don't you try it at home? Anyway, please put thumbs up button and subscribe and leave some message down below. I'll be glad. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next movie. Arigato. Take good care. Bye.